In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lists in Google Tasks. We're keeping this simple and practical, and everything I show you works right from your computer inside Gmail or Google Calendar. If you already have one of those open, you're ready to go. Using Google Tasks from these apps makes it easy to keep your to-dos close to your email and calendar so you can stay focused without juggling extra tabs. First, open Gmail or Google Calendar in your browser. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a vertical sidebar with a few icons. Click the Tasks icon there. This opens the Google Tasks panel, which is where all your lists and to-dos live. It's a compact space that stays visible while you work, which is perfect for quick check-ins throughout the day. At the very top of the Tasks panel, look for a small drop-down next to your current list name. That menu is your list selector. Click it to open the menu. From here, choose Create New List. This tells Google Tasks you want a fresh, separate list rather than adding items to an existing one. A prompt will appear asking for a name. Type a clear, specific title that matches the purpose of the list, something like work, school, or shopping. Names that reflect when, where, or what the list is for will help you find the right one at a glance. When you're happy with the name, click Done. You'll see your new list appear immediately in the Tasks sidebar. That confirmation is helpful because it shows you exactly which list you're working in. If you're inside Gmail, it stays available while you read and respond to messages. If you're in Google Calendar, it sits right beside your schedule so you can align tasks with your time. A few quick tips to get the most out of this setup. You can create multiple lists for different areas of your life, like separate ones for work projects, personal errands, and class assignments. Keeping those buckets distinct makes it easier to focus on what matters in the moment. You can switch lists anytime using that same menu at the top, so jumping between contexts is fast and effortless. And once your lists are in place, add tasks inside each list to stay organized. Keeping related items together makes planning simpler and keeps your day from feeling cluttered. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail or Google Calendar, click the Tasks icon, use the top drop-down, choose Create New List, give it a name, and click Done. Your streamlined task system is now just a glance away.